Hello gems, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna be reviewing this beautiful 360 lace wig from Ashimary here. So this is the packaging. Ashimary have this beautiful blue packaging, which I really like. What you would call this? Sky blue, baby blue, some blue. So this is what the packaging is looking like. They did send over a ton of goodies in this package. So it's just a booklet about the hair. I did get some wig caps, these beautiful lashes. There is also some hairpins, black and gold. They did send a edge brush, and they did send the melting strap with the hair cushions, which I really like, and another booklet with the wig, about the wig. They did send over this beautiful bow that the girlies are wearing these days. This is trending since of late. These tiny braids, I would call them, and your wig tape if you desire to tape your wig down. This silk scrunchie and some extra invisible straps. So they did send over a beautiful what that is, and a bonnet. I forgot what it is, I'm sorry guys. So this is the hair. This I have their 360 Invisi-strap water wave hair in 24 inches. The wig did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, and the lace is pre-cut. It does have your adjustable straps, and it has your 3 combs or a comb in the back for extra security. You do get 13x6 lace and the invisible straps in the back. There are 2 of them, and it goes all the way around the back just so you can adjust the wig. So that's how it is adjusted, so it will be pretty secure on your head. So the wig did come pre-bleach, but I'm gonna go in and tint the lace using my Ebin Wonder lace tint mousse. I really love this, and again, I know we canceled Ebin, but I have the products, so I have to use them. So I just use a brush, one of those brushes that I use to bleach my knots on my wig, just to spread the mousse out, just to get it to settle in the knots. Just to get it to settle in the knot. So that is what it is looking like. I do have the lace tint in the shade dark brown because of my complexion. Okay guys, I have dark brown. I love how it tints the lace without that residue. So I'm gonna put my wig on a canvas blockhead just because I want to sleek the hair down in the back and in the front, just so it's easier to put in a pony. If you have a 360 wig, it's best to style it on a canvas or wig head before you put it on your head. It's easier to do that. So I did that, and I'm just gonna go in and install the wig. So this wig is supposed to be beginner friendly. You don't have to do much because it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached. The lace is already pre-cut. You just need to put it on your head and adjust the invisible straps, and you're good to go. Style as desired. Plus it is pretty easy to put in a high pony or high bun, whichever, half up half down, which is my favorite style, whichever way. So I'm adjusting the invisible straps right there, and then I'm just gonna tuck them under the wig just to hide them because they are clear, but they're still visible because this lace on this wig is the skin melt lace, so it is very thin, which I really like. So the wig, it is definitely big head friendly. There was no size in it, so I'm thinking it's one size for this wig, and the lace did come pre-cut, but I'm going in to remove the excess. I don't have a lot of forehead. I don't have a lot of head. My head itself is very small, so a lot of wigs don't fit me. I have to get a medium cap size or a small cap size. small cap size works better for me because it fits my head. Here I had too much excess lace in the front. I had to go in and cut it off from the side because it was too much. I had some bunching up going on, and I did not like that, so I had to cut it, the extra lace, off and put some part of the wig behind my waistline, so behind my hairline, talking about my waistline, behind my hairline. So that's my only con for this wig. Honestly, it was too big for my head. It doesn't matter how much I adjust the invisible straps or the other strap in the back, it just was too big for my head. I couldn't wear it glueless because it was too big, but if your circumference of your head is bigger, then it will definitely fit. It is definitely big head friendly, to be honest. So if you have more hair on your head, if you have a bigger head, then it will definitely fit snug glueless. The hair itself was beautiful. The curls were gorgeous. They were soft, and as you guys can see, it didn't take long to melt the lace. I just put some lace spray on it, around 2 layers, and then I just use my blow dryer on the cool setting just to melt the lace down, and then I'm gonna go in and put the melt strap on it for like 10 minutes or so just to melt it a little more. And that's all I did when it comes to that. The wig was not hard to install. Again, my only con was it was too big for my head, way too big. So this is the wig on. I did take the high bun down because I wanted to see what the curls look like when I define them. So I'm going in with some water in my spray bottle and this mousse that I have. I really love the smell of this mousse. I don't remember the name, but I will definitely try to find it. But it's really nice. It defined the curls so well. Like, look at that. This hair was nice. It shed a little bit because again, it is curly hair and curly hair will shed, but it was not excessive. It wasn't anything that was too excessive, right? It was okay. It was okay. And then I'm adding the mousse and the curls just popped. Like, look at that. This mousse is it's a game changer. Honestly, it is so, I love the smell, the texture. It's just soft. It makes the hair so soft and it's not crunchy. It is absolutely an awesome mousse to use. I'm gonna leave the name of the mousse in the description box. So I go in with my curl defining brush, and I just try to define the curls, which was pretty easy. As you guys can see, the brush is just passing through pretty well. I didn't have much tangles, and this is what the hair is looking like, all defined and done. So I'm going in with my Ruby Kiss Duo concealer palette, and I'm using the lighter shade just to define the part a little bit. Guys, I think this is where I mess up. Sometimes when something is fixed, do not try to fix it. Are you guys seeing the baby hairs in the front of my hair? I really do not know what those are. I don't know what happened, but they were behind and I wanted to make them more. I should have just kept the two on the side, to be honest. Like, I messed it up so bad. Like, I don't like that part, to be honest, because the reason why it looks like that is because the hair was glued down, so some of the hair did not come forward. But I don't know, it's just me. I just didn't like. So that is what the hair is looking like. So again, this hair is courtesy of Ashimary here, and I have their Invisi-strap 360 lace wig in the texture water wave, and I have it in the length 24 inch. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. See you in the next one. Bye.